Alright, as per my progress on Upholstery Shop 2.0, so I got the roof on this side. I got 90% of the roof on the other side. I have the last two panels, the ones that have to get cut. The only reason I haven't done that is because to get this one up, I needed to like pull it up, and then that would go over the roof, and then I can do that panel and then that panel. So this is, as you can see me from around yonder, this is what I'm working with. It's all closed in pretty much, like I said, except for those two panels, which I'd like to get done to today. So it's getting a little dark in here, as you can tell. The air compressor, which is housed right here, has to get moved. So, I mean, because this whole wall's got to go, but the air compressor's got to go now. I may or may not have enough wire to put it where I'm going with it. I was going to put it right here out front. I was going to put it like right here. But through further deliberation, I want to clean this entire area and put like a nice little patio here and use that stock tank I got over there and a little fish pond. And put up a little picnic table. That way I have like a little picnic area to have my lunch and stuff on nice days. And it just adds to the curb appeal. So I have my $20 concrete mixer that I bent the pulley on and tried to straighten it back out. And that freaking air compressor's coming all the way back here in the corner. See, right there. Tell you what, you know how hard it was to move this freaking jet ski right here? Whew, man. But that's enough to get the wheelbarrow in here and dump concrete. I'm not putting any wire in that just because it's 4 inches thick. The only reason for the plastic so it doesn't dry but so fast. So this is actually for tile, or actually I think this one's for linoleum because it's got a serrated edge on it, but I've used it for concrete before. It works pretty well. And I use the serrations to cut the bag, and then this is just a little 1/2 inch round edger. So catch you guys up later because I'm going to do this while I listen to some tunes, and YouTube says I can't do that while you guys watch. Alright, not only did I finish the last couple panels on the roof, so all the roof is pretty much done. I just got to like put the trim around it and the trim up top. I got to get some seals for that. There's like a black spongy piece that goes up underneath the eave, and I think the one eave is not going to be right. I'm going to have like a custom one made. So it's been 2 or 3 hours now, I guess. Well, 4 hours, about 4 since I started. So here's my pad. So it's drying, it's curing. All of the cream is pretty much dried off of it. So me, I like to I do the edge, the 1/2 inch round over, and then I broom it with, I have a really hard bristle brush that's supposed to be a broom, but I don't know what kind of broom it is for. But oh well. So I use that and I drag it across, give me a broom finish. But then I like to go around the edge again to bring the cream up, just to give me a nice little border, as you can see. See, woo, that's a nice little border. So the concrete calculator, I oversized it. It's 50 by 45. I did it by 54 by 50. It said it was 4 inches thick, and it is. It told me 9 bags. Yeah, 8 and some change. I have 13 and a half in it. So, and I still have, the reason I bought the mixer is because I still have a lot more concrete projects that I plan. That I have planned. So, I have to put one where that extension ladder is, because I bought the stairs to build a spiral staircase. They're here. I just got to get the pole, and then I have the plate and the anchors, and yeah, so now I need to pour that pad and stuff and actually get the pole here. So I'm gonna end up pouring a little pad out by this door. So, because I'm gonna take this door down and remount it and put it like, do a little bit better job. And then this whole wall gets covered in metal as well at some point, along with the other wall and the back wall. So, to figure out how I'm gonna do this. And I'm putting a concrete pad out here by this door. Come out around this area. And I may or may not later pull this roof off and like extend it out. I kind of wish I had now, just so that way I can it's underneath kind of thing, but I guess I can do that later. It's no biggie. Pull those freaking 2 panels off and have at it. Or they sell like a thing to bolt right above the door, just so you're not standing in the rain, and it'll run off of that. So. But here's another one of my concrete pads. I did that kind of the same with the smooth border and the broom finish. So I kind of wish I'd have broom finished it this way, so that way the water would go this way, but oh well. That was my first one in like 20 years. But I got the last couple of roof panels on, so I am fully enclosed, and I have an empty trailer. Figured I'd just catch you guys up. Excuse me. I haven't been able to give you many hot rod videos, like I said, just because I'm gearing up for unemployment next year, and I'm going to attempt to try to work for myself, doing all my upholstery. So my business has grown quite significantly just since I decided to start offering it to the public.